After a fun day of riding, you're left with a dirty bike. Today, we're diving into the off-road starter bundle from Slick Products. Everything you need for a fast, effective, and better way to get a showroom shine. The first step is applying the concentrated off-road wash using the foam cannon and blasting the thick white foam across the whole bike. The thick foam clings to surfaces, breaking down mud without harming bearings, plastics, or painted parts. Let it sit for a couple of minutes and agitate the foam with the scrub brush. Focus on wheels, under fenders, and engine, anywhere mud loves to hide. After it has soaked in for a couple of minutes, rinse it off with a hose or power washer. Next, use the cleaner and degreaser to target tough areas where oil, grease, or grime have built up. This works best around the chain and sprockets. Rinse it all off, and the bike should now look as good as new. Finally, dry it down with the included microfiber towel and apply the shine and protectant spray. It restores that showroom gloss while providing UV protection, perfect for plastics and vinyl. It also reduces the adhesion of dirt and mud, making it easier to clean on your next wash. After you have applied the shine, let it sit for a few minutes or overnight, and wipe it down with a microfiber towel, and that's it. Your dirt bike should look as good as new and ready for the next ride. Grab the off-road starter bundle today. It comes with everything you need to clean, shine, and protect your ride. Make sure to like and subscribe to Slick Products and tell us your favorite cleaning tips below. Thanks for watching.